Hi, my name is Faye Brock, and I believe my student loan repayment strategy will demonstrate my thinking ability and problem solving as well as decision making. It would also show that I have the skills to tackle problems requiring critical thinking. It displays my ability to learn and understand individual concepts. Doing projects helped me in oral communication. It gave me a career preparation, citizenship, ethics, and technology and literacy understanding. The projects I have created has also given me a sense of real world and realistic situations. I am able to engage in interesting general list of things the audience needs to know. I will be prepared for entry-level position that includes staff recruitment, compensation, and benefit payroll evaluation and training. Now, I will also be able to have a solid business foundation with a focus on business administration techniques as well as critical thinking again, decision making, communication skills, and informative information technology skills. Now, I will also specialize in areas in compensation and benefits or payroll administration and or be able to become a human resource generalist. Now, KSB has helped me highlight my skills that are unique. It also shows case skills of knowledge that could qualify me for a position. It helps me initiate dialogue with a unit. It makes me also be able to have capabilities to perform successfully. Example, when I write my resume, my institutional outcome was thinking ability. By having thinking ability, it allows you to utilize for reflection on learning and exercise in order to adjust all knowledge processes for continuous improvement. Now, describing the primary components of a human resource in organizations and integrate those components in decision-making process. You also have to use data to make informed human resources decisions. You also will apply employment laws to human resource components. Differentiate between ethical and unethical behavior of individual groups and organizations with today's dynamic work environment. Also will allow me to select and apply current technologies and skills. It will also allow me to assess management and leadership skills as well as abilities. I can also evaluate the impact of individual and individual groups' behavior has on an organization, as well as utilize the appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate finding in visual, written, or informal formats. I can also transfer knowledge, skills, and behavior acquired through formal and informal learning and life experiences in new situations. Employee strategies, and reflections on learning and practicing in order to adjust learning processes and continual improvement. It will also help me follow established methods of inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. I will also be able to participate in social, academic, and professional communities for individual growth and to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. In conclusion, my career development also relates to decision making and planning processes. Being able to have a proficient and a conduct for stable, long-lasting employment. Being a critic of my own actions is important to capturing my career evolution operations. Thank you.